Hi friends, welcome to SNR Tech. Our car, me Sharath from Kerala. So today guys, our work is this one. Matrix type indicator, DRL light. This is called DRL light. DRL means daytime running lamp. This is the full form of the DRL. Hello guys, this is our DRL light. So this is matrix type DRL. It means that DRL indicator will run. So some guys have already fixed this one, but there have lot of problems. Some problem like this, the indicator will never run and never work properly. So we can solve that problem also. For like that, please watch this video properly. Then correct your problem. So this is our DRL type indicator. This coming like this. This have two pieces, one for the left and one for the right. It's include this double side sticker also. It's coming one wire out. That wire set include three wires. One is common, another two is the park connection, another going to the connection. So for this one I already removed my headlight like this. And I am going to fix that DRL light on the top of the light. Normally some people fixing on the fixing inside. I didn't fix inside because if fixing like that, sometime fog coming inside, because we need to open this headlight front before fixing that one. After we need to fix it properly, but I can't fix same like company. That's why I going to fix outside. If your people have if your people need to fix inside, you can fix inside, but I see for you how to fix that wiring. Before fixing outside, I am going to clean the outside dust with some petrol. Otherwise that it will never stick on properly, never stick that glue on properly. That's why I cleaned very well. After cleaning this, I am going to fix that DRL light. Before sticking, I am going to just fix. Is it suit or not suit? I checking that one. After getting idea, I am going to stick on the DRL on the headlight. I am going to remove that sticker. I not removing fully because if I remove fully, it will glow, stick on different side. So I removing that one very slowly and fixing like this. So after fixing that one, I am going to connect that light. First of all, I am going to take one indicator positive from the front bumper indicator assembly. Before fixing this DRL light, some guys telling it's not working properly. That time I saw one problem. This indicator didn't produce more. If this indicator positive will shows more than 9 volt, the DRL will work properly, because the DRL have one control unit on the end of the DRL light. It must need more than 9 volt, otherwise the DRL light not working properly. So I will take one connection from the parking light for giving supply to the park. If I give supply to like that, when I on the park, the DRL will DRL white light will on. So the park also need more than 9 volt for the good working of the DRL light. If not coming 9 volt on the indicator or park, you must need to check the wiring or flasher unit properly. If not, if this flasher have some problem, it will never show 9 volt. If we have problem on the flasher, we need to change the flasher unit, and we need to check these couplers also. If the coupler have some fungus or something, it will never give proper voltage to the indicator light. If the supply not coming properly, the DRL will never work properly. This black is the common earth of the DRL. Yellow we will connect to the indicator connection. We already took indicator connection from bumper indicator light. First of all, we need to connect that wire on the DRL light yellow position wire. After I am going to connect that park wire to the red. Then we will give proper instruction to the park wire. After fixing that park wire, I am going to on the park position, and I am going to connect this in DRL lights negative to the body earth for checking purpose only. I just touch before I want to know is it work or no not properly. That's why I just touching on the earth. If I touching on the earth, it will works properly. After that one, I am going to connect this one here. So see, the DRL will works properly. After I am going to on the indicator. See, the indicator also going to work properly. See, it will run on the indicator like this. So, if you people are fixing like this, so we can do on the little bit dark time. I am going to on the indicator. No, sorry, a park. So the two sides of park will works like this. After the park, I am going to on the indicator two side. See, how does it work? It works so nicely, no? So many people fixing DRL like this. If their parks will work, they will complain for me the indicator will never work properly. That time your people need to check with supply with a multimeter. Is it coming more than 9 volt? It will work properly. If that voltage will come less than 9 volt, it never will work indicator properly. If not coming 9 volt, you need to check all wiring and wiring harness. So this is a matrix type indicator light fixing. This type matrix type indicator light we can bring from this online sites. Hope you all understand my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.